Hello guys, and welcome back to Lazi-Low Collectibles, and welcome back to a brand new video. This week on the turntable we have a double bill. I know you see only one car, but you're gonna see in the video that I'm going to restore two of these cars. So let's take a look. So let's take a closer look of this one. But before we do that, I welcome all my new subscribers and old ones. Thank you very much for sticking with the channel. Currently I'm at 1987 subscribers. I've got another 13 to go before it's gonna be 2K. So don't hold yourself back, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I'll really appreciate that. I would like to reach 2K in this month. So I still have 5 days. So this is a Jeep F150 Corgi toys, and this is number 470, made in Great Britain. I've done one of these before, but I had a crack here and I didn't have another windscreen, so I decided to do this again. And this is another version of it, which is a Jeep FC150, but this is 409. This one has windscreen but hasn't got interior. This one has interior. So I will be doing both for someone. Someone requested these cars. Someone would like to have these cars. So I'm going to concentrate on this one in the video, but I will do that as well. And I've got the canopy. I did buy the canopy for this one. It's not perfect. Obviously it's plastic, so need a little force and it comes off sometimes, but yeah, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look like this. And I also have two windscreens, one each. So I will drill these apart. I won't show this one, but I will show this one. And they are a little bit, I can already tell you one major difference. This has got an axle, this has got suspension. So obviously this is, I think, an earlier one by the number as well, 409, this is 470. The hook on this one is a metal hook. On this one we got a different hook, which I think it's broken, but doesn't matter. And this is plastic. Both has a spare tire, and this one had a windscreen, you can see inside. So I will be drilling them out and I will show you how does it look inside. I will show you both. I already centered this with a smaller drill bit. So now I can use the bigger one carefully, because we've got the plastic there. Shouldn't be too difficult. I think we are okay, actually. Yeah, that was pretty easy. And we managed to save the plastic hook, which, as you can see, it hooks in here. So that's done. We have the suspension rods. So I'm not going to, yeah, they also close, if you can see there. They are closed. There, no. I could possibly force these out, but the reason I don't like to do that is if you bend the rods, they're not going to be the same. They're not going to work. I can try. Actually, this one works easy here, but that one, because of, I mean, I could open these I could open these with a flat screwdriver, but I can also remove this smaller mushroom and just take this off, put it back, and make a small mushroom. So I think I will be doing that. I don't want to risk breaking these little flips here, because they are old and they are also very fragile. Well, anyway, so that's the base. That's the 470s base. So I'll put this into the box with the other pair of wheels and the plastic hook. So now the spare tire is free, and this is, as you can see, is brand new. It's never been used, so that possibly gonna go back. We have a frame here which obviously holds the interior in position. That's a very good design actually. And then we got this very thin, very slim, paper-like interior in a good condition. It's not even dirty, I think. So that's sealed very well. And we have the windscreen, which has a crack. So I think this windscreen I will put away for a spare one. If I need, for example, if I need the back of it, I can cut out and I can use that, but I have got the new one. So let's see if it fits. It does. So can't complain, looks good. So that fits very well. So I've got these two, as I said. So they will stay in this little bag until I finish. I'm going to put them into the middle so I can divide the bits and pieces between this one and the other one. I'm going to drill open in a minute. This opens a little bit differently than the other one. This lifts up here, and we have the front, which has got the front tires, front axle, and the spare tire place. And then the windscreen was riveted into this one because there is no interior and nothing holds the windscreen. So now the spare tire is free in this one as well. And we need to remove the back axle. I did not drill that on purpose. I will leave that in, spray it, and then I will paint it separately. So that's it really. I need to drill that out. This, but I think I will need a bigger screwdriver drill bit anyway. But yeah, that's the difference between these two. That this one has the axle inside. So I will be doing that and paint stripping time. Actually, I did drill out the old windscreen, and in this case they done a good job. They left a pretty big hole in here, so you don't need to worry about that. It won't go in. It's got plenty of space. Plenty of space, so that won't be a problem with that mushroom. So it does look good. The casting doesn't look too good, but I will file that down, make it nice. But apart from that, it's a good opportunity to show you that I bought this one. So let's see if it works. I need to take these tires off. I think I can salvage these tires. They're not too bad. So if I remove them gently, They will be okay. They're not too bad actually. So let's put this behind if I can. I'm not sure if, I think I will have to open this a little bit. Can you see? I have to open that a little bit, so we'll go inside. I don't even try that. I will try on this one, but I think the gap is not big enough. So I will do that, and I will remove these. So here we go. I've done some work lately, so let's see what we can do with these two. That's the older one, this is the newer one, and we have the two new glosses. So let's see what we've done. I have refurbished the base and I put some new tires and tidy up the hubs. And this is the older one. I had to climb that on, so that's not very nice, but it's okay, it's still good. And I've got the base refurbished as well. This is the older one. I've got the back tire on, done some detailings. And I've got the blue one as well, detailed. And this hasn't got the wheel because the wheel is on the base. So I will be putting these two together. I'm a bit nervous because I hope they go together very well. So this one hasn't got interior, just the glass, new glasses. And that one has the interior. So I will be, I think, putting one of them together front of the camera, and then the other one I will do outside. So let's see if I can put the windscreen in and that will fit. Yeah, perfect. I don't really want to touch these too much because although they've been drying for a week, they never ever good. So let's slide that in. And we got the spare tire as well. Let's put that in. And let's slide that in. And this should sit on the rivet. So I will be putting this back and we'll go on the turntable. So this is the my favorite part of the video, the before and after restoration. This is our Corgi Toys Jeep before restoration. As you can see, no tires, needed a new paint job and new glosses. And this is the two of them actually after restoration. New paint, details, new tires on one of them, new glosses, and canvas on the blue one. I think they look fantastic. I'm really happy with these ones. So let's put them on the bench again. Okie dokie karaoke. So these two are done. I hope you did like them on the turntable. I think they look really good. This is the older one. Rolls fantastic. It's just got windscreen, which I glued in, and they have the old hubs. And this is the newer one with a separate chassis and a separate base. That one has half a base, and this one has also interior and new glass, and this one has the canvas as well at the back, and this rolls fantastic as well. And this one has the newer wheel. So they look really good. I do like them. The details are done. Sorry, I'm handling the camera. So if you did enjoy this video, please guys, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please leave comments down below. What do you think of this video and my previous videos? So thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy your Friday evening or Friday morning if you watch it in the morning, and have a great weekend. And I shall see you next week with a brand new video. So take care, guys. Look after yourselves, and bye bye for now.